Let's start by reading the question. Sitara, a market gardener, plants lettuce seeds in 1 square metre patches. Research suggests that 95% of the seeds will germinate under ideal soil conditions. You may assume that the germination is independent from seed to seed. If more than 45 lettuces grow in a single patch, the quality of the lettuces is likely to be reduced. If Sitara plants 50 seeds per patch, find the probability that a randomly chosen patch will have more than 45 lettuce seeds germinating. You should use an exact distribution. Obviously this is a binomial question, as this was a binomial KLT, but the clues that this is binomial in this are we have a value for n because she plants 50 seeds. We have a value of p because research suggests that 95% of the seeds will germinate, so 0.95. It tells me that they're independent, which is our third criteria for the binomial distribution. It tells me that it's random. And it's asking me to use an exact distribution, so it's telling me to use one of the distributions we know. So, if I write down my binomial distribution, this sometimes gets me marks. So x is binomially distributed n and p. Part A says, find the probability that she will have, so that x is more than 45 lettuce seeds germinating. In this case, we can use our Casio ClassWiz calculator. Hopefully you can just about see the screen here. So if I press menu and I go to number 7, which is distributions, and because this is not a precise value, it's a continuous value, x is greater than 45, I need to scroll down to binomial CD. As I only want one value, I'm going to be quick and I'm going to go to variable. And remember, a binomial CD works out x and under. So if I want x is greater than 45, I don't want 1 minus x is less than or equal to 45, because I want 46, 7, 8, 9 and 50. So for x I'm going to put my less than or equal to value, 45, and press equals. For n I'm going to type in 50 and press equals. And for p I'm going to put in 0.95 and equals. I can use the formula for 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50 and add them together if I don't have a binomial, a Casio ClassWiz or better. Putting that into my calculator, I can see that the probability less than 45 is 0.10362. So if I 1 minus that, that's going to give me 0.89638, or equivalent. Let's move the calculator out of the way. Part B says explain why more than 45 seeds germinating in a patch may not be an issue in practice. So this really requires an understanding of the context of the question. If more than 45 seeds germinate, the original suggestion is that there won't be enough space, and the quality therefore will be reduced in those lettuces because they won't be able to grow to their full capacity. So let's think how I could get around that problem. Sitara could take out some of the plants as they're growing and put them in a different patch once she's seen that they've started to germinate. Or she might be able to grow more less quality or lower quality lettuces and therefore make more money in the end. Or, I think the one I personally would have gone for is even though more than 45 will have germinated, not necessarily more than 45 will have gone to full plant. Anything along those lines would have got you your final mark.